available now at the Titan Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2012 Case 590N. This loader backhoe features a 96-inch, 1.5 yard standard loader bucket with bolt-on edge, along with a 24-inch, 10 cubic foot backhoe bucket with bolt-on edge. This 590N features stabilizer pads, extendable dipper, and ride control, along with 4-wheel drive, Powershift transmission, and 108 horsepower. For more information on this Case 590N, contact our sales team at the Titan Outlet store. To view more equipment videos, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel.